I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, of course, it's gonna be about this hair. Just look at it, y'all. It is stunning. It is so beautiful, and your girl didn't even lay baby hairs. Okay, that just tells you how good this lace is. So let's just get into it. So this is, I'm gonna read the title of this wig. It is a 13x4 HD lace piano color water wave frontal wig. The color, the blonde highlights, is a number 4 27, and it's human hair, and I believe it was 26 inches. So you guys, right off the bat, let me just tell you, the hair is super soft. It is literally unbelievably soft. It's fluffy, it's lightweight, and let me just say, this is the wig right out of the packaging. Okay, this is what you're getting. Okay, it is so beautiful. I haven't even toned the hair yet, because if y'all been following me for a minute, I really like ash blonde, not really like brassy blonde. So I am gonna tone this hair, but I feel like this is beautiful the way that it is. It comes pre-bleached. It does not come pre-cut, but it is pre-plucked, so you're not gonna have to put any work when it comes to that. What I did when I installed this wig, I put my contour powder on the lace to help blend it into my skin tone, and then I went ahead and put some concealer in the parting space just to brighten it up a little bit. But that's really all that I did. You could really wear this wig glueless, but I went ahead, I don't even have it over here anymore, but I went ahead and used my Bold Hold liquid gold just to secure it to my head and really blend in the lace. And as you guys can see, it looks so stinking good. So good. The only thing that I would say when it comes to the construction of this wig, I would have loved for it to have 2 combs on the side. Okay, I personally just love when the wigs have combs on the side. This particular wig has 1 comb right in the middle and 1 in the back, which is fine. It has the adjustable strap or the elastic band with that material on it, so it doesn't like slip easily. So I really like that. I just wish that it had combs on the end. But this wig is just so cute. I just can't get over how soft it feels, honestly. I think that's what's like the best part of this wig. It is freaking soft. It's so fluffy and lightweight. Very much a summer wig, okay? Very much. So this is the hair all in front, so you guys can see the density of this wig is unmatched, okay? I feel like this is a very thick wig, okay? And this is the curls that are, it's not even defined. So you could get this hair really defined if you really wanted to. I'm just not that type of girl. That's not the vibe I'm on right now. I like very frizzy, big, out there hair. So this is perfect for me. Okay, also I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a 25% off discount. It is L25. I'm gonna leave it in the description box and possibly on the screen, but it is L25 and you're gonna get 25% off. So go ahead and use that. And that's really all I gotta say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.
Well, since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your kinky hair, the way you like to dress, baby. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. 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 Well, baby, I'll be sitting here waiting on you to come home again, and I won't leave.
I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you, and baby, even all the worst nights.